How to turn Amber Alerts off on an iPhone 14. Welcome to When I Had a Smartphone tutorial videos. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to turn off Amber Alerts using the iPhone 14. This is probably going to be the same way for any of the other iPhones, anything with this, with this operating system. If you're annoyed of getting Amber Alerts, it makes that super annoying sound and it says somebody's child is missing or something like that. It gives you some kind of Amber Alert, something that they believe is an emergency. They send it to you. If that annoys you and you want to get rid of it, this is the way to do it. So you're going to start off by going into settings. Once you are in settings, go ahead and select notifications. It's going to be right up here at the top. Go ahead, select notifications. Once you're here, we're going to go ahead and scroll down to the bottom. It says government alerts. An Amber Alert is right there. If you just go ahead, deselect it, that'll turn off any Amber Alerts, and that's usually for like missing peoples or somebody that they're looking for in your area. They'll alert you with that. Public safety alerts, if you want to turn that off, that's something like something kind of a natural cause thing going on. They'll kind of notify you with that. I've never gotten any of those. And then emergency alerts, also you can turn off if you wanted to turn all of those off. They are right there at the very bottom with the Amber Alert, emergency alert, and public safety. So there you guys have it. Any test alerts, that's already preset to off, but if you want to have those, you can turn them on. I don't know what it does, but they are off. And for me, I kind of tend to get annoyed with you're going to bed and it's 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, you're getting waking you up with little Amber Alerts and stuff like that. So there you guys have it. That is how to turn off Amber Alerts on the iPhone. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you know somebody looking for this information or someone that will benefit from seeing this, be sure to share it with them. If you guys like to see other helpful tips and tricks on the iPhone 14, be sure to check out that playlist in the description below. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.